Me, I just wanna cakes to Paulo Cruzada's mother, Mrs. Marion. Thank you, Mrs. Marion Cruzada, for disciplining your son, Paulo Cruzada. Because I heard that from Shania Kiana that Paulo Cruzada is a special child. You know, Paulo Cruzada, do not make a bomb threat in, for example, you say about sasabugin kong Davao City, Metro Manila, you saying about akong ISIS ng bayan, it's really nonsense. Oh, if I were you, Paulo Cruzada, um, you need to apologize for what you made a mistake. Oh, you need to apologize even to Teacher May. Oh, Teacher May asking me when she messaged me in the messenger, she said it to me. Oh, why does Paulo Cruzada is still attacking me? I have nothing to do to this former student. I have nothing to do against him. I have nothing to do against Paulo Cruzada. He's my former student. Oh, Teacher May says. I have nothing. Oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada, me, for example, you have to respect Teacher May. Teacher May is always staring at you. Oh, when she was a teacher. Oh, you know, before I promote to Teacher May, when there's Ralph Guevara, year 2009, when he was promoted there in CDIFI, I know in my reality, uh, before Aris Clemente came in CDIFI in 2010, oh, um, I know we are good friends, we talk each other, and you know, when we see each other in the first place, meanwhile, for me, I'm just gonna say to Paulo Cruzada, do not bully Teacher May. Have mercy to the person that she is already retired. Yeah, I know that I just told by Joannes Impact. I talked to him in TikTok live. I've been talked with Clarence Beredo in Messenger. I talked with Clarence Beredo. I mix with the English and Tagalog words. I told to Clarence Beredo. I told him. I just tell the whole story was. Oh, I told to Clarence Beredo, Clarence, oh, if you remember about Teacher May, retired na nga po siya. Oh, di na siya nagtuturo. Oh, that's why she is already retired. Do not harass a retired person that they weren't there in CDIFI. Because they weren't there in CDIFI, those teachers or former teachers, like for example, Teacher Mirna, Teacher Chris, Teacher Lendel, Teacher Jessa, and even you remember Teacher Gemma, Teacher Maxi, they're already retired. Even the other teachers in CDIFI, like for example, Teacher Joy, she's already retired, even my former enemy, Teacher Ivy, she's already retired. Even all of them are retired. Oh, do not do that, Paulo Cruzada. For example, when you bully Teacher Gio Malana while he was in the US, he's asking me, who's Paulo Cruzada? I respond to Teacher Gio Malana. I say to him, he's a former student of Teacher May. If I were you, I say to Teacher Gio Malana, just block Paulo Cruzada. Do not talk to him. If Paulo Cruzada attacks you, you can report it to the FBI. And the American FBI will come to the Davao City to coordinate with the Spedmotics. and the Philippine Raptor gang to hunt down Paulo Cruzada, because Paulo Cruzada was really wanted by Davao City. Even the NBI Davao City, he is really wanted. Oh, and Paulo Cruzada, unlike you, when I talk to Teacher Kel, even Escal Penumbra, I chat Teacher Kel, Teacher Kel says to me, "Who's Paulo Cruzada?" I respond, "That was a former student of Teacher May." And Escal Penumbra says to me, "Sino ba si Paulo Cruzada?" I respond, he's a former student of Teacher May. Dati yung estudyante ni Teacher May yan. You know that. Paulo Cruzada, you should be ashamed to other people. I respond with Lorraine Shook. Lorraine Shook asking me, "Who's Paulo Cruzada?" I respond, he's a former student of Teacher May. I was asked by Mina Suchoy while she was there in South Korea. I was told by her from the messenger, and I said, who's Paulo Cruzada, by the way? I respond, he's a former student of Teacher May, Tiburcio. Drita Ziri asked me, who's Paulo Cruzada? He's a former student of Teacher May. Paulo Cruzada, you should be ashamed of yourself for harassing other people. That's why Josh Goso says to you, babarilin ko yan si Paulo Cruzada ng shotgun. Sabog ang muka. Paulo Cruzada, your parents are very angry at you. You should be ashamed of yourself. Like me, I don't want too much enemies in social media. You're making enemies to Teacher May. You're making enemies with Teacher Marisa, Teacher Chris, Teacher Mirna, Teacher Jessa, Teacher Lendel, Teacher Chris, Teacher Maxi. I mentioned from Nikki Miranda. And who else? Teacher Joy, Teacher Kel, even Teacher Gio Malana, Mina Suchoy, Drita Ziri, and Lorraine Shook. Even the other people, you're making enemies. Paulo Cruzada, including Ronald Rebena and even Jordan Pilapil. You don't really have to be ashamed of yourself. Paulo Cruzada, even your family members, you don't really have to be ashamed. Paulo Cruzada, the more the people you hate, the people will hate you more. That's the reason for you, Paulo Cruzada. Yan ang papahamak sa'yo, Paulo Cruzada. If I were you, Paulo Cruzada, the people will never love you more. You know what was David Gill said to me? You have to respect the people. You don't know how to respect people, Paulo Cruzada. And you're promoting like ISIS. You're saying about, ako ng ISIS ng bayan. And you're saying about, sabugin kong Metro Manila at Davao City. Including the other countries like Tokyo, Osaka, Nagoya, in Japan. At least he did not mention Pococa. Oh, even he mentioned about Tehran. Oh, Tehran, Ishpran, Shiraz. He wants to threaten to make a bomb joke. And even the other place that he makes a bomb joke. Even in Moscow, Russia, Chelyabinsk. At least he did not mention about Grozny. That means Chechnya. It's a part of the Russian province. Oh, even Crimea as well. It's a part of Russia. At least he did not mention about China, Beijing, Hong Kong, and Macau. Because I know there's lots of triad. Oh, in Russia, there's a Wagner group under by Vladimir Putin. In Iran, there's a Iranian Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps. Oh, under by Ali Khamenei. They will torture you, Paulo Cruzada. They will hanging you up. A death penalty. Because Iran has a death penalty too. Even in China, it has a death penalty for you, Paulo Cruzada. Lethal injection. I was told by Jordan Bunagan that China has a lethal injection, death penalty. If you make a rape joke, if you make a bomb threat, there is a death penalty. Even in Cuba, you make a bomb threat. Oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada, in Cuba, there's execution under by Fidel Castro for execution of rapists, drug traffickers, and even money laundering. There's execution. Oh, even you make a rape joke at Shania Kiana. Oh, even Teacher Evelyn. That was your former principal in CDIFI. It's not really good to make a rape joke or rape joke, what you said before. Gasahin ko si Shania Kiana, Teacher Evelyn. It's really nonsense. Even Wawel Romero, you're saying about the words against her, and you're saying about gasahin ko si Wawel Romero. It's not really good. If I were you, Paulo Cruzada, you should be ashamed of yourself. Just like I said before, mahiya ka naman. Oh, you know that. Even Teacher May, she doesn't do anything to you. She's staring at you. Oh, may malasakit yan si Teacher May. Why did you do that to the person? You know, Paulo Cruzada, before I was promoted with Teacher May's class, me and Ram Lial, I first encountered Teacher May in the first time in 2013. Oh, how many years I've been in the class with Teacher May? Oh, 2013 until 2020. 17 years I studied there in CDIFI. Beginning of my arch enemy, Gina Sejo. Teacher Gemma. Teacher Honey. Oh, in a 2-hour or 3-hour group. Even Teacher Maxi, my former enemy. And she is my good friend. I was there. Even Teacher Marisa. Oh, I was with Ralph Guevara and Diana Esguerra and Gabriel Narag. I was with Teacher Jessa Fernandez Cuevas. Oh, Teacher Jessa Fernandez. Oh, I was with Teacher Lendel. I was with Teacher Joy. Another second term, Teacher Joy. Oh, in the second terms, Teacher Lendel, 2010. Oh, 2011, Teacher Joy. 2012, Teacher Joy again. In 2013, I was with Teacher May. Oh, in many years, Teacher May again, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, until 2020. I left the CDIFI in 2020 when there is a COVID-19 pandemic and the coaching program were not continue. when I talk with Sir Paulo Cuba. Because I know I suggest with Teacher Marisa, we want in coaching program about Beetle, we need the Volkswagen Beetle, we need the Ford Mustang 1970, like in Fast and the Furious, that car of Sean Boswell. Is this what you like, Paulo Cruzada? To harass the person like Teacher May? You do not know what you're doing. That's why Kathleen Canete had disown you, because Kathleen disown you because you are really rude person. Napakabastos mo, Paulo Cruzada. That's why Buddy Castro unfriended you in Facebook. Even Sir Paulo Cuba, Jens Manaid, they unfriended you in Facebook. What you gonna say to yourself? Even your family members. Your mother claims you, my son, Paulo Cruzada, is a special child. I was told by Shania Kiana. Paulo Cruzada, have a shame to yourself. Even to your former teachers in CDIFI. When I talk with J. Rick Silva, walang iya pala to si Paulo Cruzada. You know that. You know, Paulo Cruzada, I just wanna demand to you, you need a public apology to Teacher May. You need a public apology. You write the letter, and you printed the letter in computer, and you printed it, and you say, I am Paulo Cruzada. I am here to apologize to Teacher May when I made the bomb joke that I claim I was a terrorist wannabe like ISIS. I claim I attacked Teacher May. I harassed Teacher May. I just want to apologize to her and her reputation, to her family members. I am here to make a public apology that what I have done, what I just made a lots of mess, for what I just made a lots of consequences. And first of all, I will be good. That is a simple Paulo Cruzada. If I were you, Paulo Cruzada, kung ako sa'yo, Paulo Cruzada, humingi ka ng pasensya kay Teacher May. You need to apologize to Teacher May sincerely. Just like I said before, Paulo Cruzada, do not involve Teacher Gio Malana, even Teacher Kel, in that your issue. Huwag mo sila idamay. That's why. If I were you, if I'm saying to you, Paulo Cruzada, like I said before, huwag mo idadamay si Teacher Gio Malana at si Teacher Kel, because they didn't know who you are. That's like I said before, di nila kilala. That's the word. They didn't know who you are.